you can still reap the benefit of that. But the little secret that nobody tells you is that and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, welcome. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you the secrets of how to use Jamaican black castor oil to grow your hair thick and long. Okay, so I made a video a few years back about Jamaican black castor oil, the benefits of Jamaican black castor oil, which you can check out here in the iCards or at the end of this video. I will put it here in the description box and also at the end screen, so you can check that out when you're done with this video. So I'm going to be telling you about how to use Jamaican black castor oil. I will show you how to use Jamaican black castor oil, and I will be answering some of your questions that you've left under that video about Jamaican black castor oil. Without talking too much, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'll be sharing with you some of the ways you can use Jamaican black castor oil on your hair. So obviously you can use Jamaican black castor oil as an oil treatment for your scalp to help with hair growth. It helps to, you know, thicken your hair if you suffer from thin strands or just your hair's thinning out. You can use Jamaican black castor oil on your hair. And to use Jamaican black castor oil, you can either mix it in with another oil, like another carrier oil, like maybe extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil or something else that's just very thin to use, because it's very, you know, viscous and it's very thick. So trying to use it on its own can be very challenging, and I always advise to add a different oil to it just to make it more manageable. But you can use it on its own. Before I tell you exactly the secret that I unlocked and found out about how to use Jamaican castor oil to reap the benefits of it, I will go through the question, answer those questions, and then at the end of this video I will answer that question, the secret of how to use Jamaican black castor oil on your hair for longer, thicker hair growth. First question, well, it's not the first question, but I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just gonna try and see what questions I can answer. So on this video there's can I use this by its own without adding anything in it? Absolutely, you can use Jamaican black castor oil on its own. I only advise that you add something else to it because of its thickness, and obviously when you add like extra virgin olive oil, it helps you to distribute the oil better. And if you put it in like a bottle, something like this, it will help the oil to loosen up a little bit and be able to get through the nozzle. Another question is, does it help your hair grow? Your hair is always growing. First of all, your hair is always growing, but Jamaican black castor oil can enhance, you know, hair growth, can help with boosting hair growth. If you're consistent and consistently using it and massaging your scalp with it, it helps to thicken and grow your hair. Can you apply it to relaxed ends? Personally, I am not relaxed, so I am fully natural. So I'd say, of course, like you can use Jamaican black castor oil on relaxed ends, even on your new growth. You can use Jamaican black castor oil. It's not even about what state your hair is in. It's just about you looking after your hair and the health of your hair. So yes, absolutely. Please, can I mix Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint and apply it on my scalp, or is it too strong? Yes, oh my god, yes, you can apply peppermint oil, because peppermint oil, essential oil, is a stimulant and it helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp and therefore bringing all the good nutrients to your scalp and enhancing hair growth. And so yes, adding peppermint oil is a great way to enhance the potency of the Jamaican black castor oil. So yes, I always add peppermint oil to my other oils because it's like a great essential oil to have on hand. How long did it take to notice results? With Jamaican black castor oil, you need to give it at least a month to 2 months before you can see any sort of growth with your, you know, when you're being consistent with it. You have to be consistent. You can't just do it once or one week and then expect it to like, ooh, your hair's flourishing. No, you have to be consistent, and if you really want to see a massive improvement, you literally have to incorporate Jamaican black castor oil as part of your routine routine, like a daily. Does it matter if we use it every single day? Absolutely not. I would advise you use it every single day, but obviously most of us, we're too lazy to do that. But yes, you can use it every single day, and that will absolutely work better for you. It will help you to see a massive improvement in your hair and the thickness and the growth of your hair. So yes, use it daily if you can. I bought it, but it's not so dark and smells like cigarette. Is that normal? Yes, so it's absolutely normal for it to smell a bit ashy. Don't worry about it. You say it's not too dark. The normal one is not too dark, but the extra dark is darker because it says extra dark on the bottle, and extra dark only means like it will be more potent to the other one. I wanted to know if you can use it after you're done washing your hair, or when you're about to wash your hair and then wash it off later. Yes, you can use it as a pre-poo, so pre-shampoo treatment, a hot oil treatment. Add it to your deep conditioner, apply it to your hair after you finish washing your hair. Absolutely. Can I leave it in my hair or need to wash it after? You can leave it in your hair. You don't have to wash it out. Only people who I would say they have to wash out is people who have like very straight hair, because obviously their hair will be weighed down. It will feel very heavy and oily and greasy. But for afro textured hair, you can absolutely apply the castor oil, braid it up or something, and your hair will be happy. Someone says, is it compulsory to mix coconut oil while applying JBC castor oil? You don't have to use coconut oil. It's not compulsory at all. You don't have to mix anything with it at all. You can just use it as it is. I only say mix it with something because of like its consistency. It's very thick. So in order for you to be able to apply it with ease, then I'd say add some coconut oil or olive oil or something, but you don't have to apply with any, you don't have to mix it with anything. You can just use it as it is. It's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. You will reap the benefit of it if you do it whichever way you decide. Okay, so I think I've gone through the most asked questions. So I'm going to tell you now the secrets of how you can use Jamaican black castor oil to grow your hair, to reap the most benefit out of it. I found out that when you put castor oil in a bottle, get a bowl and then put in some hot water, place it in there and then let it heat up, and then use it to apply to your hair. And when you heat up the Jamaican black castor oil, you don't even have to add any other oil because it just becomes loose. When you warm it up, it helps to distribute the castor oil easier, and it's like it activates all the nutrients in the castor oil for you to be able to reap the most benefit out of it. So make sure you're warming up your castor oil. Never put it in the microwave because microwaves will just destroy the oil. Don't boil it. Don't put it on a boiling pot. And you can use that to apply to your scalp and then massage your scalp. And also you can use it as a pre-poo treatment. You can use it as a hot oil treatment by warming up the castor oil. When you warm up the castor oil is the secret, is the way to reaping the most benefit out of it. Because when you apply it cold, it's very thick and it's very viscous, but you can still do it, you can still reap the benefit of that. But the little secret that nobody tells you is that you have to warm it up before you use the castor oil. So yeah guys, I hope you learned something today. Let me know in the comment section below if you used castor oil before. How do you use it? Do you like to mix it with other products? And would you try it if you've never tried it before? Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and if you learned something today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful, always unbothered. Bye for now.